protect our borders in tough conditions. They are our pride and honor. हमने भी उनके सम्मान का ख्याल रखा. In our election manifesto, we had promised to implement one rank, one pension. This was pending for the last 40 years, but has been resolved by us. Madam Speaker, previous governments announced it in 3 budgets, but sanctioned a mere 500 crore rupees in the interim budget of 2014-15. In contrast, we have already disbursed over 35,000 crore rupees after implementing the scheme in true spirit. 35,000 crore रुपए सरकार ने पिछले वर्षों में हमारे जवानों के लिए दिए हैं वन रैंक वन पेंशन के तहत. The government has also announced substantial hike in the military service pay of all service personnel and special allowances given to naval and air force personnel deployed in high-risk areas. Our defense budget, Madam Speaker, ये हम सब के लिए खुशी की बात है कि इस वर्ष पहली बार हमारा डिफेंस बजट 3 लाख करोड़ से बढ़ के 2019-20 में प्रावधान किया गया है. For securing our borders and to maintain preparedness of the highest order, if necessary, additional funds will also be provided. Supporting Indians across the world. Today, all persons of Indian origin feel secure that their motherland Bharat cares for them and at times of need will support them. India's transformation has inculcated a sense of pride and respect for Indians and persons of Indian origin across the globe. We have taken several initiatives to strengthen their connect with India, facilitate their investment in India, and ease their travel. Infrastructure development. Infrastructure is the backbone of any nation's development and quality of life. Whether it is highways or railways or airways or even digiways, we have gone beyond incremental growth to attain transformative achievements. आज एक सामान्य नागरिक भी उड़ान योजना के कारण हवाई जहाज में सफर कर पा रहा है. अब 100 से अधिक एयरपोर्ट हो गए. सिक्किम में पाक्योंग एयरपोर्ट खुलने के बाद 100 से अधिक एयरपोर्ट इस देश में हो गए, ऑपरेशनल एयरपोर्ट्स. डोमेस्टिक पैसेंजर ट्रैफिक पिछले 5 वर्षों में दुगना. और क्या जब इतनी तेज गति से विकास होगा तो स्वाभाविक रूप से नौकरियां भी आएंगी और एविएशन सेक्टर में बड़े रूप में युवा युवतियों को नौकरियों का साधन मिला है. टुडे इंडिया इज द फास्टेस्ट हाईवे डेवलपर in the whole world. With 27 kilometers of highways built each day, projects stuck for decades like the Eastern Peripheral Highway around Delhi or the Bogibeel Rail-cum Road Bridge in Assam and Arunachal Pradesh have been completed. The flagship program of Sagarmala along the coastal areas of the country will develop ports for faster handling of import and export cargo. For the first time, container freight movement has started on inland waterways from Kolkata to Varanasi.